सो गाइस, आज हम इंग्लिश का हमारा डे 2 है। आज हम सिर्फ एक सिंगल टॉपिक पे बोलेंगे, तीनों जन एक एक सिंगल टॉपिक देंगे खुद को। ये जो पीछे जो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक बोल रहा है इसको इग्नोर करो। अभी इसको हम अच्छा टॉपिक देंगे, देखना है तब कैसा बोलेंगे। बहुत बैकग्राउंड से म्यूजिक बता रहा है ये। चलो चलो लेट्स गो। हे भाई, मैं टॉपिक काउंट हो रहा है, सेव करून ठेवला है आता है भाई। So what is going to give a single topic to us right now? We have decided yesterday, right?
Yes.
So, and what are your thoughts about business in future? Just tell us.
Business thought.
Yeah, in future. And also after that, your education. You will tell us about your education, okay?
I have tell my education.
You need to tell your. Okay, you tell for
Yes,
education.
you can tell your education.
Okay, that's the easy way right now. Okay.
Yes.
Give us your introduction.
Give us your thoughts about that.
Okay, firstly I introduce myself.
Yes.
Okay, sure, why not?
Then I will start next.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Forward.
Yes, yes. My name is Prajwal Vinod Zavne. I'm living in Wagholi, Pune. Okay. About my education, I have done my BCA to Vidyabharati College, Amravati University,
Okay.
and also I had done my MBA from Segar College, Pune University,
Yes.
in finance sector. And about my family, I belong in nuclear family. My mother is a homemaker, my father is farmer. I have two siblings.
Yeah.
Yes. And about my hobbies playing multiple games, riding bike,
Yeah.
and meet to multiple persons and talking. That's it.
And what about your business plans, business thoughts?
Yeah. That's the main question.
Doing
right now.
business in future.
Okay, my business. I have researched for multiple business. Which business are sufficient to me? Which business I talk? Which business I have? मतलब उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं अपन अपने
You can ask us.
जो रहता है मतलब.
हाँ फैमिली बिजनेस या अपने
They
लेवल का
decided to
बिजनेस.
carry your father's business, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, like means you want to carry your father's legacy.
Yes,
right?
yes. My father's also have builder,
Okay.
small builder.
Also.
I thought so. This firm is. I will join this firm and I have increased this.
You will increase.
You will increase.
Okay.
I will increase this
improve-
financial growth and also yeah, उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं, उसको बढ़ाना है, बहुत जगह पे बढ़ाना है.
I want to
I want to
increase my father's business.
father's business.
Of my father business.
Yes. And I thought so. Firstly, I have joined the company in.
Firstly, you want to join the company. Yeah, I have in your past.
Okay.
I want to join.
I want. Firstly, I want to join company
Okay.
in buildership. Yeah,
Real estate.
construction, real estate,
Real estate. area,
real estate. And I have a minimum 1 year or 2 year experience.
Yeah. Okay.
Earn, I think that's better sentence.
What do you want to say?
1 or 2 year experience मतलब क्या है?
After getting 1 or 2
You
year
want to
experience,
get
Ah,
want
yeah,
to
yeah.
experience.
Ah,
So
yes.
if
They
they
want
can
two
say-
year,
want to-
you want
want
1 to 2 year
to-
experience, then you will thought about business.
business.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
That's
I will.
what you want to say.
Then I will start my own business. Firstly,
No problem in that.
Prajwal, you are very good today.
You have
You are very improved.
Yeah, you are very good today. The only thing yesterday you were doing and repeating,
Yes.
right? But today you have done that thing, but not mostly, right? You have done
Not mostly,
very
yes.
less than yesterday. And the only thing I want to say is what you are using continues the single word have. I have, which is not connecting the word properly. You want to
Yes.
say I want to. I mean, you want to do what you want to do.
अगर तुम्हें कुछ करना है तो बोलना पड़ेगा आई वांट टू नॉट
Yeah.
आई हैव
Okay,
आई
if
हैव
you want to
मतलब
do
मेरे पास
something-
है
मेरे पास है
Yeah.
ओके ओके
If you want to do something, you have to use I want to.
I want to.
Yeah, want.
I
What
want.
you want.
अगर कुछ
that is-
करना चाहते हैं तो वांट कुछ है तो हैव आई हैव
I have
So
used.
these two and three kind of word you should learn, and when you wake up in the morning, you have to think, I was wrong yesterday about this word, and I have to use this word. What is your mistake? You have to just remember in the morning when you wake up. That will
Adi,
improve
but he
your
is very
progress.
good today.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Compared to yesterday,
Absolutely.
he is very good.
You were very good than yesterday. Now we were heading to
He used your words very good.
properly, and also he was not lacking.
Yes.
Like us yesterday, he was
In just
improving
one day.
in just one day. So guys, you have seen
बहुत
he is making
भाई को
progress.
भाई
Actually,
मराठी
I-
मीडियम से सेमी इंग्लिश तक पहुंचने वाला है बेटा तुम्हारा
So actually, I was saying in the beginning, like he was using mobile. That's not it, bro. He's learning. That's so very good out of it. So heading to our new second brother, right?
Yes.
Aksham Avade. He will introduce himself, and then he will say about his business plans of future. Okay, start with you.
There is no need to say my name.
Nah, don't need
Told you my name,
have-
but-
at the same
Yes,
position,
because-
man. You are saying
Yes,
your name.
yes.
But-
That because you told it's an introduction. That's why I am telling.
Yeah, just we
My
are.
name is Akshay.
Yeah.
Akshay Sanjay Mawade. Basically, I am from
Yeah.
and talking about my education, I have completed my BCA from Amravati University, MBA from Pune University,
Yes.
and well about my family, I have a joint family. I am from joint family. I have 25 members in my family, but I don't want to talk about all of them.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I am
sure.
only telling about my mother and father.
Yeah, also want to
yes,
know about
yes,
your age.
because we don't have time about this.
Yeah.
My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife.
Okay.
And that's it. And talking about my business plans, so I want to get experience 1 to 2 years in companies
Yes.
like multinational or something in my field, digital marketing field.
Yeah.
And after that I will think about business. I have a business in my mind that my family business, just like liquor business, I want to open my own bar and restaurant.
Yes.
I have tried something in that कोरोना मतलब लॉकडाउन डेज मैंने किया है उसका रिसर्च वगैरह आई हैव
Yeah,
डन
you have
माय
done
रिसर्च ऑन
research.
दैट
Yes.
यस सो
Absolutely.
देखेंगे 2 साल बाद इफ व्हेन आई कंप्लीट माय 2 साल पूरे
Yeah,
कंप्लीट
after
कर
experience
do your job.
when will I get 2 years experience, then I will think about the bar and resto.
Yeah.
But that's it.
You had done absolute carnage, man. You have done very properly. Well done. Without taking
Yes,
a
thank you.
single gap in it. You have done. You have spoken a very
Yes.
good language.
Yes.
Not a gap. Nothing wrong.
Nothing
Okay.
wrong.
Well, talking about business, that
Yes.
was the hard part. Talking about your your introduction, that
Yes.
was easy part. The
Yes.
every part has a hard
Yes.
and easy choices, but you have done it very properly. So then yesterday you were lacking something on it. I mean, you were using a single word and
Yeah.
giving some information of that. But
Yeah.
today, your topics, your words totally cleared.
Yes.
You have shared clear information. So nothing wrong about that. But
Yes.
tomorrow, what we are going to do with it, we are going to take some hard choices,
Yes,
hard
hard
words.
choices.
Okay,
We
that
will
will
take
also
it at
improve your
different level.
yeah, that will
Next
also
level.
improve your language
Yes.
too much. You have to remember what you were wrong today.
Okay,
When you
okay.
wake up yesterday, you are going to remember what I was wrong about, what wrong words I was using. Okay.
Okay.
Towards me.
Yes.
Now I am going to introduce myself.
So
okay.
introduce yourself to us and tell us about your business plans or
Yeah.
anything that you want
Yeah.
to do after getting an experience or
Yes.
whatever you
Sure.
want to
So I am Aditya Savade.
do. Yes.
I am actually pursuing right now hotel management course.
Yeah.
It's my final year. I have done SSC from Amravati board.
Yes.
SSC and HSC
Yes.
from my so I am here. I think 3 years ago I came to Pune.
Yeah.
I have taken course in hotel management. Due to some COVID and this problem, I was unable to do my course in 3 years. That's why I extended my a year. Okay, so it's my final year. Now talking.
Revise. You mean you revise your year?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then talking about my family, I am belongs to nuclear family. Okay, I belong to nuclear family. My father is doing hotel business.
Yes.
Then talking about my mother, she's housewife, and I have one sibling. Then nothing much about that. My family, I have to build my own legacy on my own. Then
Okay, very good.
now we are going to talk about my business plans, right?
Yes.
So talking about my business plan, there is not about I don't think about too much step. I mean, I haven't think about forward of I think I will say
You are
3 or
not
4
thinking about
years.
so much about future.
Yeah, not about 3 to 4 years, but yeah, talking about right now 6 months. I have decided clearly what I want to do in 6 months.
Next 6 months.
Yeah, these 6 months are very important, and we
It's a
take
starting.
easy steps, and if we decided 2 month 1 month plan, then we will carry forward to it, and also look to our mistakes and what we are going to do. Now the basic plan. Now what I want to do is, the reason I really came Pune is I want to find a job in BPO, call center, where I can improve my language. Well, I just want to make my language so fluent that I will when I will talk English.
You want to talk to Russian girls, no?
No. That was a funny way, but yeah, that's not the actual reason.
Oh.
But yeah, why
Yeah,
not?
but
Yeah,
you know,
if
it's
we-
like-
why not?
मिले तो सब कुछ चल
Yeah,
जाएगा.
if we are going to talk fluent English, why shouldn't we
Talk to Russian girls, no?
Talk to Russian girl, yeah. That also kind
It's
one
a
kind-
hobby.
Yeah, it's one of my hobby. I am
Hobby.
single from I think
One day he's gonna take two of us to the other country
Yeah,
and
yeah,
just
we are going to
enjoyment.
do that.
Yes.
So-
in Bangkok, Switzerland.
Yes, we are going to Bangkok
Because
in,
of me.
in few years.
In few years,
Uh,
okay, that's not the point.
Yeah, I'm
But-
talking. You continue.
Yeah. So what I want to do is the reason I want to do calls in to get job in call center is just because I want to improve my English.
Communication.
I want to become as fluent as possible.
Okay.
And then when I'm going to do after 2 months, I will find job right now. But yeah, if I get job, I want to work and give as much as proper work to the company. I want to do all the hard work I can give to company, and then when I get the experience and when I will improve my English language, what I will do, I will just want to focus on my fitness. That is the main reason. I just want to focus on myself, and that's the reason. That is what I have been focusing on this 4 and 5 months. I don't want to reveal any everything that I have planned. That's the plan I have been
Yes.
planning, right? But that is all I want to say. That's what I am thinking about 3
So
months.
you want to give your next 6 months to yourself.
Yeah,
That's your
I
decision.
just want to
To
give
improve
6 months to
yourself.
myself,
Okay.
because self improvement is the main reason.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and also I want to develop my personality,
Yeah.
because personality.
You have such a good person.
No. I have, but a person never never become 100%
Yeah.
of himself, because you have to learn everything every second of your day, of your life. Okay, what do you do? So that's it, man. I think I have spoken. Can you tell me what mistake I had done? Everything.
I don't think you haven't that much of mistakes.
But I can
Yes, you can.
find your one mistake.
Yeah.
You said my father is I think
Doing hotel business.
doing hotel business.
Yeah.
Not a business. You said hotel some other word.
Yeah.
It's a average word. You can say my father is a businessman, because hotel is also business.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Don't say which business you.
Medium level business.
Medium.
Small
No,
sector
no.
business.
You said only my father occupation is business.
My work.
Hotel or any other.
Yeah, there are
institute.
different types of hotel, right?
Yes.
Hotels, yeah, multiple business in included in
industry.
one word. Business.
So I was wrong then, right?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
I think this you just only say
And-
my father occupation is business.
And you speak like friendly. That
Ah.
means the people in front of you understands.
Yeah.
You have to
It
think
means
about
I
them.
am.
They
Yeah.
can understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I was good at it, but
Yes,
I was
yes.
bad.
You are good. Very
You are good.
Just
Very
think
good.
about if you are an interviewer and I
Yeah.
was just giving this type of interview. Is it good or is it bad?
In the scale from 1 to 10, I will give you 7.
Okay,
Yes.
sure. So you can.
What
tell
about
me-
you, Prajwal?
Yes, I can give.
You don't need to be silent.
Yeah.
Ask anything you mean.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Even it is in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. But you just have to ask, because when we are going to translate and also tell you.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, okay. I think you are so aggression.
Yeah.
Your voice is so
Arrogant,
aggressive.
like just like arrogant.
Arrogant, yeah, more aggression. You are not arrogant,
We are telling
but
you-
you use more aggression.
Okay.
So you control your aggression
Okay,
and
I mean,
talking to like just a friend. Normally,
Yeah,
you
in
just
friendly way, right?
you just talk to.
We told you
no,
that
you just
you are about arrogant
Yes.
behavior
Okay.
year ago.
yes, your
When you
eyes,
are-
your
when you are
face,
doing
your
alignment.
hand. So
Yes.
you can control your hand
I
and
should have done in patience. Right?
patience. Yes.
In a friendly way.
In friendly way.
Okay,
I
I
will
will-
talk too slow.
Yeah, talk,
Small pause.
yes, it is important. Talk at the speed, like in people
Like,
in front of you.
yeah, the
they
people
can
also understand, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sure. I will learn about it,
Yes.
and I will give
And-
100%.
And otherwise, you are
To improve.
absolutely
Behavior.
Fine,
Ah,
right?
Fine.
So that's it for today, right? So I have also to
But I
You want to see a movie?
I want to
You
see a
movie.
Okay, no
So
problem.
that's
If
why
you- if we sleep,
I will tomorrow start with new topic, new session.
Okay, no problem.
And
So
yeah,
just
so क्या बोलते हैं अपन इम्प्रूवमेंट करके बात करेंगे कल
Okay,
और
no problem.
no problem.
Okay.
Just show some
Just-
thumb to it. So guys,
सब्सक्राइब
It's
करते रहो,
done for today.
सब्सक्राइब कर
like
दो
करते
भाई,
रहो, share करते
बड़ी
रहो।
मेहनत से बात कर रहे हैं
बड़ी मेहनत से सीख रहे हैं और 15 दिन में तुम्हारे को सुधर के दिखेंगे.
okay guys, that's done for today. It was just our day 2, but we have made a serious progression in it, and we will try our best. Okay, this video will
हम
upload
आज भूत
first.
देखेंगे, आज
आज
भी
भूत
देखो.
देखेंगे हम।
Okay, we are going to watch a movie. Okay, bye.